Spoštovane, spoštovani, prisrčen pozdrav iz mesta ob Savinji, iz Celja, stadiona z dežele. Prvega slovenskega stadiona, ki bo čez približno mesec dni gostil tekmo četrtfinala enega od evropskih pokalov, kajti ne gre začeti drugače tega prenosa, ne da se enostavno kot z navdušujočo in najbolj iskreno čestitko grofom za četrtkov uspeh v Tunu, ko so v osmini finala konferenčne lige popolnoma zasluženo preskočili švicarski Lugano. Še vedno Kvesič na desno stran, Šobe v sredino, tam je bil nekoliko prenizek Prucev, ni prišel do strela z glavo in na koncu spet odlično izvrat Mauricio. Tale predložek Šobeja, nekoliko previsoka podaja za Pruceva je bila to. Delorje Šobe v kazenski prostor, Edmilson, Šobe strelja in spet brani Mauricio. No, odlična poteza lendavskega vratarja. Šobe proti Matku, pa potem do odbite žoge Edmilson, Njeto s predložkom Prucev. Egor Prucev, 40. minuta se je ravno iztekala in vendarle Celjani do vodstva. Ni bil tole lahek položaj, enostavno je moral skočiti v zrak, da je sploh pridobil prostor za ta volej. Krka še enkrat za Špoljariča, Špoljarič ima priložnost, Špoljarič obramba, pa prazna vrata in gol za Salaja 1-1. Sombor Salaj. Oziroma Kalno Kikis, se upravičujem, prvi stik žogo potem, ko je vstopil v igro. Eti gol v prvenstvu, drugega je zabil na tem štadionu, 60. minuta izenačenje. Marinič nima sicer tule čisto prave pomoči, to da dobro se je znašel, potem pa lepo podal Salaj 2-1 vodi Nafta. Amadej Marinič, asistent, Sabolt Salaj, strelec in popoln preobrat na stadionu z dežele. Nadaljuje se ta roller coaster, ko točno veš, ko nekdo povede, da bo prišlo do preobrata. Ko so se že navadili celjski navijači, eden od naftašev leži na tleh, Celjani seveda zdaj nadaljujejo z igro. Kouter pa Njeto, Sorensen. Zdaj je uvidel Hrka, da Celjani ne bodo ustavili igre, vstal in nadaljuje z igro. To je to, mislim, da so Celjani dobro vedeli, da tu ne gre za poškodbo. Tole zdaj Čidi. Zabukovnik, 2-2, tole je končalo v mreži. Celjani do izenačenja na začetku 87. minute, ampak mislim, da bodo zdaj z vsemi sredstvi napadli v finišu tele tekme tudi vse 3 točke. Ali državno prvenstvo nas ne pusti ravnodušnih. To so predstave za prave nogometne sladokuse. Glede na tole zamenjavo, recimo še dodatne pol minute, zdaj priložnost za Celjane, Čidi pred vrata, Kučis! Armandas Kučis in vendarle grofje prihajajo do zmage, popadali so zdaj po tleh naftaši, ki so vokali 3 točke, zdaj pa bodo ostali praznih rok, kajti tele tekme, znova pa celjski junak Armandas Kučis, njegov 10. gol v sezoni. 12 golov ima Floruc, z včerajšnjim hat-trickom je pri 11 Vizinger.
Kouter na celjskih tekmah očitno ne gre brez drame, vodstvo, zaostanek, na koncu zmaga. Kako ste vi vse skupaj tole doživeli na igrišču?
Ja, moram povedati, da je spet ena dramatična tekma z naše strani. skozi cel tekmo bili smo boljši, delali smo cel čas pressing, visoki pressing, ustvarili smo se spet ogromno priložnosti, pač moramo zabiti drugega, tretjega, četrtega in to je to, ne. Pa spet neke individualne napake in smo dali nasprotniku šanso, da zabije gol, ne. In hvala Bogu smo se na koncu vrnili, pokazali karakter, kaj je najbolj pomembno in odnesli 3 pike.
Videti je, da se znova vračate v boj za recimo vsaj 3. mesto, sodeč po rezultatih vaših tekmecev za ta mesta, pokal, državno prvenstvo, kje mislite, da bi lahko lažje ujeli evropsko vozovnico, morda celo tudi skozi Evropo?
Ja, res je, moramo skozi prvenstvo prvo gledati, poleg seveda pokal in to je to.
Nino, kako boste zdaj izkoristili tale reprezentančni premor?
Moram verjeti, da bo zdaj ta reprezentančni premor prišel zelo prav. Trener mi je dal 4 dni prosto, tako se malo odpočijemo, odklopimo od nogometa in pol pa spet dalje borba.
Še beseda dve o tej nori evropski četrtkovi tekmi, ki je prinesla toliko lepega, ne samo celjskemu, temveč celotnemu slovenskemu klubskemu nogometu.
Ja, res je, moram verjeti, da to je nepozabna izkušnja. Ta rezultat, ki smo ga naredili, je res vrhunski, ampak to še ni konec. Mi gledamo dalje in do konca.
Hvala lepa in veliko sreče tudi.
Hvala.
Ajde, hvala. Rok, nora tekma v Celju, ampak ni se išlo po vaših željah. Bili ste blizu celo prvič v tej sezoni v gosteh polnemu izkupičku. Kaj se je na koncu zgodilo? Padec koncentracije, kaj drugega?
Pa ja, danes smo videli, kako je lahko nogomet včasih nepravičen. Odigrali smo odlično tekmo, dobro se branili, imeli ogromno priložnosti. Potem pa, bom rekel, najprej so se Celjani izkazali z izvrstno fair play potezo, ko je naš igralec ležal minuto pred našim 16-metrskim prostorom in iz tega dosegli zadetek. Ampak ja, takšen je nogomet. Potem pa na koncu še, bom rekel, nezbranost v zadnjih sekundah in še drugi ta prijeti zadetek.
Ne glede na to, zdaj reprezentančni premor, kako ga boste izkoristili, po drugi strani je vendarle videti, ne glede na današnji poraz, da ste pomladi močno dvignili svojo formo, redko izgubljate tekme, to je verjetno dober obet v tem boju za obstanek.
Pa ja, zdaj med pauzo si bomo zagotovo malce spočili. Večina nas je igralo, bom rekel, zale 5 tekem v 14 dneh. Tako da ja, kažemo dobre predstave. Žal danes, bom rekel, smo bili blizu 3 točkam, na koncu ostali brez, ampak ja, zdaj se treba dobro spočiti, potem pa pripraviti na Maribor.
Božik, you were close to your first victory, away victory, but in the end you lost the match. How did you see this match?
Yeah, we had really good opportunities also in the first half to score. The result was unfair in the half-time. We should lead minimum with 3. Then in the second half we came out and we used our chances. That's why it was the only difference between the two halves. Then I think until the last moments they had only maybe one chance to score. They cannot. Then this last situation is a little bit questionable for me, that when a player like Darko Hrka is laying on the grass, who's never playing with the time, is a really fair player, I think the referee should stop the game in that moment, because it was clear it's an injury. Because if it's not, he cannot stand up. If it's not, he can stand up, sorry, and he can run back, especially in this situation 5 minutes before the end. Why should he lay on the ground when Celje is possessing the ball in front of our box? And then, of course, Zabukovnik scored from his position. What can I say?
So this was the key moment, from your opinion?
Of course, against a team like Celje, this is a key moment, because after then, in the last 5 minutes, they pushed us back to our box, and then, unfortunately, in the last one, they scored again. It was a good individual movement, but they would never score if somebody blew the whistle when Hrka was on the ground. So, yeah, but at all, yes, it was a good game. We did a great performance. I'm really proud of the players. We showed our character again. especially here in Celje against such a team with this quality. But I can't tell you anything else. Just I would like to congratulate Mr. Riera for the Conference League and for Celje, and we'll keep going.
Mr. Božič, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Albert Riera, congratulations for the win. Another Celje match, another roller coaster, unbelievable match. How are you satisfied at the end?
Yeah, I'm satisfied with the game because we prepared a different game today. Pragmatic, like you like to say in your country. It's not for me. It's not for me because I prepared a game. You detect this. Maybe you should detect who is watching football. But we prepare a game man to man because I want when you're gonna play against one opponent that is much better than you, you are not aggressive. You don't follow your marks. You are not aggressive. You are soft. Then you will suffer a lot. And today I make a test for my team, and I said no, I don't care about the result. I care that they did the job. Even in some situations, it's hard because man to man, nobody play modern football anymore. Probably it was Bielsa that he was playing man to man. But I needed this test, and I will tell you why. Because after the game on Thursday, probably we'll need energy. We'll need some players will maybe mentally can drop, and like this you cannot drop. You have your man. You need to follow your man. You need to pay attention, and I needed this from them, energy. With us, there is not any friendly game, there is not a soft game. We want to play all the games to win and to try to destroy the opponent. And of course, the opponent finds some situation because we made we lost some marks, some player and some situation, but it's a thing that can happen in football. But I'm satisfied with their job.
You said you will focus now at home for the cup matches, but now after their results today, you have clear chances to catch third or fourth position and go to Europe.
Okay, if you ask me the preferences, I can tell you, but for me it's to win every single game. Until now, or from now, we're going to have 11 finals in the league, and we want to win all of them. And also the cup is very important because it's one of the opportunities also winning the cup that you can play in Europe next year, even better option because it's directly in Europa League. And of course in Europe we will try, and that's why this kind of test I like it, and I'm using it with the players. We have our own way how to work because I repeat before. It's not a coincidence that you are in quarterfinal in Europe. You are against budgets of 50, 60, 100, 200 millions, and you play pragmatic now. And you are waiting. At the end, they will kill you. They will kill you. And for us, it's who is not risking in life. You don't take anything. And yeah, we are risking sometimes more than that is a standard. But we get sometimes things that we want, and this is the way how I understand this game. And I'm always saying it doesn't mean that it's better or worse. It's our way, and we enjoy doing it on this way. It will be better to win the game 1-0, 2-0, and slowly and calm, and maybe when you are already 1-0, 2-0, stay back. Like many teams, even the top teams, or the top team, who is first on the league or second on the league after 1-0, they go back, and no, we always play for like we are 0-0 and trying to score more goals than the opponent, and this will continue all the time. I don't pretend to like to everyone, but this is how I understand this game.
Thank you.